Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to insert a SIM card on your iPhone 17 models. So first we need a SIM ejector tool that will be available in the box. So you can see it just looks like this, and you have to go to the SIM tray over here. And this is the SIM tray on the bottom left. Over here you can see this is the SIM tray and there is a hole on it where you have to use your SIM ejector inside to it and you have to press it gently. So let me do this. Just go over here, press this, and you have to press it very slow. And right now after this you can see you just need to pull this off like this. Okay, you just need to pull this over like this. And right now let me put this over here, and this is the SIM tray, right? If you wanted to insert the SIM card, this is what you have to do. So just go over here. As you can see, you have to place it gently. Make sure this particular side is the top. This yellow side should be the top, and you have to press it gently over here like this. Make sure that you place it over here like this. Once it is placed, you just need to take your phone like this, and you just need to go over here. Slowly you have to just insert your SIM tray, and you just need to gently press it. And right now once you press it, just wait for a little bit of time. Now you can see there is a signal on your phone, which means the SIM is successfully installed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Any doubts can be asked in the comment section. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible.